We are currently in Osaka, Japan. I know I haven't talked a lot in any of these YouTube vlogs so far in Japan, but I haven't really had the opportunity to talk in most of my videos because of the areas we were at. So far, I would rank the journey so far for my top, like out of my top 5. I would rank Kyoto number 1, Hiroshima number 2, Tokyo number 3, and then Hakone number 4. And right now, until I finished exploring Osaka, I won't rate it at all. Today we went to the Kirby Cafe in Osaka, and we're gonna show you what the Meta Night cake looks like. It's got some gold flaking with some blueberries, the Meta Night logo, and delicious chocolate cake. It's got 2 ice packs, and then I had the Kirby drink. My friends got the Whispering Woods drink, and I also got this blind box pin from the cafe. Hi guys, we're right in front of the Glico sign in Osaka. As you can see right behind us, it's right there. Another update in Osaka. I hope you guys enjoy. There's the sign. And right next to us, there's a Don Quixote over that way. Extra. Hi guys, this is BT Nuclear. We're in the reserved room in Bar Los. Say hi guys. And here's the coaster. And you can see that the shoe is still in the GU. And I would just like to give a thanks for allowing us to record here, Chris, if you watch this, because we put our name on the paper. And we're gonna just enjoy the time in here, and thanks a lot.
On my Discord, 2 days left in Japan. Like, see, only 2 days left in Japan, sad. But my sister asked me how many days left I have, and I'm like, You're not even looking at my profile? Hello?
Oh, is she in your server?
No, I talked to her online.
Does she live in the US or no?
No, she lives in Alabama.
Oh, that makes sense. Yeah, my sister lives in Utah. She almost got her job almost switched her to Seattle, and then they like, we're saving our plants, so we're back in Utah. I'm like, what's going on here?
Well, basically today's the last day in our Japan trip. We have today and tomorrow, and then we're fully done. Today we went to the Tokyo Sky Tree, and we went to the observation deck. My friend got stuff from the cafe, and my other friend, we went on a lower floor, and he got stuff from the Pokemon Center. I have some videos and photos from that we'll put in through it. Barlof's is pretty nice. The nice scenery, nice stuff. We think that decoration was put here by Charla. Maybe it is, maybe it's not. Thank you, Chris, for allowing us to record here. If you watch this, and allowing people to record in the private booth. And we'll show a review of me drinking Blue Monday, and my friends, they drank the Gummy Bear Love. We're going to try Blue Monday and see how it is. It's the non-alcoholic beverage. Pretty good, really good. Really good taste. A blue raz of lemon citrus. It's like a citrusy drink.
You almost came back to the state. You always special stuff.
Joey, could you close it, Joe?
Oh, close it.
Slowly though. There we go. Day of the trip. We're heading home in a little bit on the shuttle to go to the airport. Had a really good time in Japan. I hope you guys enjoyed the videos, and we'll see you next time.